Hello, greetings, welcome. Thank you for coming. I'm recording this before Christmas, but I'm probably going to upload this or have this premiere on Christmas. So here we go. This has nothing to do with Christmas, this one, but Merry Christmas, Feliz Navidad, and forgive me if anybody here is French. Joyeux Noël. It's probably completely wrong. Anyway, hope you're having a wonderful day. If you don't celebrate Christmas, happy Sunday. Be nice to people. Enjoy less crowded restaurants if restaurants open. Not a whole lot of people go out on Christmas, so find your joy where you can. So 12 by 24, and this one's a black canvas. I don't remember why I bought it, but this is gonna work for what I have planned. Never tried this before, so we'll see how awful this is. I got some metallic white that I mixed with some iridescent white from Artsmith. And then I also have a bunch of paints from this. They are the Arteza Aqua High Flow water-based pouring acrylic colors. So this is the first set of colors, or first set of pour paints that I ever bought. Because I wanted some colors that I knew went together, that I didn't have to think about, because colorblind. So I'm like, hey, I'll order some colors that that go together so I don't have to think. And what I got was these that are very high flow, very liquidy. So this is the very first pour painting that I did. I don't have it here. I accidentally took it to work. But so there's a sea green and forest green and the phthalo green. It also comes with, I think, titanium white. Which I ended up using for something else. So those are the colors I have. But I've got this beautiful metallic white. So I mixed some silicone in this just for fun. And we're just going to meander here a bit. So we're going to go a little more. Don't worry. Sound didn't cut out there. I'm thinking. Concentrating. Don't know what I'm doing. I'm just hoping this works out. Like something. So, I'm just going to put the white like this, and then I'm going to take these other colors. We'll see how this works. I've never tried this before, so we'll see what we get. It might be awful. It might be fantastic. We will find out. I haven't tried putting silicone in the base color for anything yet, so why not? These are kind of like foresty, kind of, it says aqua tones. I guess this color is, but this more makes me think of, I don't know, mountains or something. Do I want to add gold or something? How about tiny amount of gold? Or should I do silver? I'll do silver. There we go. That's makes more sense. If I can find it. Come on. There it is. Right next to me the whole time. All right, just a little bit of silver in here. Why not? Why not? I don't know what it's going to do anyway. So, hair dryer. Now, normally you would have other paint on here to help it move. I just kind of want to see where it's going to go with nothing to hold it back, or everything to hold it back, I guess is right. So. All right, here we go. Let's pop some bubbles here. Maybe. Everybody's favorite thing to watch. Recharge. Butane. Alright, so I think I may have put a little more paint on here than I would have liked. I would have liked a little more of the black on here, but there's nothing I can do about that now. But yeah, this is the second time that I've added silicone to one color mixed in with something else, and then it did the exact same thing as putting silicone in all of it. So last time I just put black on the layers in between things. This time I just put it on the white, and then I got all this cool stuff. So we'll see how it dries. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day.